RetireReady Retirement Planner Honest review and a quick review. RetireReady is a retirement planning tool designed to help users organize their financial and planning retirement. It offers a structured approach to budgeting, saving, and setting retirement goals. And here are the key features about this platform. It comes and assisting in planning income and budgeting for retirement, track savings and investment debit, and including tools for business ideas, passive incomes, and relocation planning. I also provide a user-friendly interface and a prompt to guide users through their planning across the planning process. And here's the advantages of this platform. It comes with a comprehensive coverage of various retirement planning aspects, and also it comes with the limited information available on the platform and may lack some advanced features found in the other retirement planning tools. And retirement appears to be a solid choice for individuals seeking for a straightforward and organized approach to retirement planning. It is especially suitable for beginners who prefer the guided process. However, those looking for more advanced features integration may need to explore an additional option.